Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my kitchen. If you're interested in seeing how I decorated for Valentine's Day, keep watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I would like to give a big shout out to my channel members, Maria Slanda, USA Live Stream TV, Gadgets and Things, and Rosie P. I will be leaving their links in my description box so you can grab them up. I'm gonna start by putting this wreath over here. I have these candles here and this picture frame, and then I'm just gonna add this right there, and this one right here. And in here I'm just gonna add some candies. On this corner I already have these candles here. And I'm just going to put this little plant here. And I added the little heart. And then I'm just going to put this little sign right here. Over here I'm just going to put this little frame right here. And this, I already put the flowers, and then I added that little heart. On my stove, I'm gonna put this little baking pot. It's a little heart. And then these towels. Over here, this is what I have already. So I'm just gonna add this right here. And this little heart right here. Over here, I'm gonna put this little house right here. Then I'm gonna add this mug. And also this one. And here I already have the hot cocoa. And I added this little heart. I'm going to put this one here. And then I also added a heart to this one. I'm going to add the rolling pin right here. And I'm also going to add this candy. To this cup, I'm gonna add these lollipops, Tootsie Rolls, and also these Sicklets. In here, I'm gonna add these chocolate spoons. Then I'm gonna put this little gnome right here. And then this one right here. I'm gonna add this little cupcake right in here. And put it right there. And then I have these little hearts. I did this in a DIY and I thought I was recording, but I never did. Then I put them right there. And then I have this little pick. I'm gonna put this right here. And I also have this pick, and I'll add it right up here. I'm gonna put this jar with the candy right there. I added the marshmallows and their hearts. And put this right here. In these jars, I'm just gonna add some of these little heart candies. And I added those little hearts. And I'm just gonna be putting them right here. Over here on this side, I'm just gonna add this heart. And this little jar of candy. I'm gonna add this little heart right here to the paper towel holder. And then I'm just gonna put this little bag of candy right here. So right here on my island, I'm just gonna add this little plant right here. And I added the little heart to it. And then I'm gonna put this sign right here. And this little candle right here. And I added this little heart to this candle.